Welcome home to Eastern Trails Apartments and Storage in Milford, New Hampshire. Today we are on the second floor taking a video tour of a 2-bedroom apartment home with 875 square feet of living area. We are looking at your kitchen. To the left there you can see your entry door. There is a ceiling fan and light fixture combo beneath which your dining table can go. You can see this is fully applianced. You have your refrigerator, dishwasher, you have a stainless steel sink with disposal. Look at that cabinet space. Fantastic. And the meal prep space on this countertop is great too. You have a little bit of task lighting there. You have an electric range with overhead fan and light. And this is an open concept. It does open into your living area. There is your second entry door. There's lots and lots of closet space here. Here is your first example. Great storage space here. That would make a perfect pantry. The wood style flooring has been carried throughout your living room. Large living room with plenty of area for furnishing. You have these sliders that go out to a lovely sized deck overlooking the wooded lot. It's actually so pretty here with the snow and the way the sun is reflecting there. We have vertical blinds that are included. You can see there is air conditioning here. Fantastic space. Lots of great amenities here too. There is a dog park on site. Cats and dogs are welcome. You can have up to 2 pets. Here is another great coat and storage closet with lots of floor space. Your wood style flooring has been carried into the hallway where we find another double closet, which is just unbelievable. The shelving, you could turn this into half pantry, half linen closet. The storage here is just great. And your first bedroom is gigantic. It features textured plush carpeting. You have a double window allowing lots of natural light in the space with the mini blinds that are included. There is space here for a king-size bed with a night table on either side. You could have a chest of drawers, seating area. It's just a massive room. And again, check out the storage space. Double door closet with shelving, lots of room for hanging your clothing, and lots of floor space for belongings as well. There is a playground on site as well as a grilling area and a community pool, which is a fantastic way to meet your neighbors in the summer months. Your second bedroom is also very large. This can accommodate a king bed. A queen would give you a little extra room. Textured plush carpeting. Again, double windows with mini blinds that are included. You can just get a quick glimpse of the basketball court just outside the window there. And you have a double door closet with shelving and floor storage just like we saw in the other bedroom. It's an easy commute to Manchester or Nashua. We're right off Route 101A near Route 101. Here is your bathroom. You have great storage in this vanity, medicine chest, large mirror, and vinyl style flooring with a full-size tub and shower. If you are interested in this apartment home, give us a call or text us at 603-673-1155. You can view all of our available apartments at redoakproperties.com. Click the logo if you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel or to view more great videos here at Eastern Trails Apartments and Storage. Click the playlist.